I'm Smitty Grace, and this is Internet Powered, where technology meets reality. How does my watch count my steps? It doesn't detect every footstep, it estimates them. Imagine trying to figure out whether someone is walking without ever looking at their feet. Instead, you watch their wrist. When you walk, your arms naturally swing in a steady rhythm. Your watch measures that movement, not your footsteps. Inside the watch, sensors measure how your wrist moves in different directions. Then the software looks for a pattern that resembles walking or running. When that pattern is strong enough, the watch records a probable step. That's why the number on your screen is an estimate, not an exact count of every foot that touched the ground. It also explains why step counts sometimes seem wrong. If your wrist stays still, while you're pushing a shopping cart, carrying a box, or holding a handrail, the watch may miss real steps. And if another repeated motion looks enough like walking, it may count steps that never happen. The key idea is simple. Your watch measures your wrist. The software estimates your steps. That's why step counts aren't perfect, but they're usually accurate enough to be useful. To access the full text explanation and source library, visit internetpower.com, where technology meets reality.